Hello guys, welcome back for another cleaning video, and today I'm going to share some cleaning inspiration, some natural cleaners and some cooking inspiration as well. The fastest way for me to clean the floor is this dry mop. It also does an amazing job, and besides that, it really speeds up the process. I can't imagine if that would be a carpet and I would have to do the vacuum cleaning. That would be really hard, but with this it's super fast and it's very efficient and effective. Now that the room has been aired out and the sheets are aired out as well, I can fix the bed. For the corners and the hard to reach areas, I like to use my vacuum cleaner with this little head. For the bigger surfaces, I like to use the dry mop. our plans for this area that I wanna paint a mural on the wall, and also Zsolt is going to extend this table and make it bigger. This is one of my favorite gadgets in the kitchen. It's just a lid that I can use for squeeze some orange and lemon. It perfectly fits on the jar, and once I'm done I can just put a lid on it and it doesn't take up that much of a space.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all.
So eventually I am going to measure out this one for you guys. I'm still trying to figuring out the perfect amount of flowers, and I think the key is this black currants in there. This is so yummy, I cannot even emphasize it. It's really soft and bouncy. So this is gonna be probably my next recipe up on my website. I will let you know once it's up there. We make smoothie every single day, so we have lots of banana peels, and I thought I'm gonna give a try. That I saw somewhere that I can soak some banana peels, and it has some potassium and calcium and magnesium in there that is actually good for the plants. So before I compost the banana peels, I'm just going to reuse it to create some homemade fertilizer. Sometimes the most useful things in the kitchen are the most simple things, and that would be this rubber glove with a hook on it. So once I'm done with washing the dishes, I can just hang it easily and it can dry faster. Also, I want to share something with you that I discovered a few months ago when we moved into this house. I find this at a local Asian store, and this is supposed to be something that is washing your back. So it's a long strip, and if I find a similar, I will link it in my Amazon store. But basically it's just a long strip because this is what you use to wash your back. But the material is really see-through and it's slightly scrubbing. So it's a very gentle way to clean the dishes with this rag. And I cut it into 3 pieces. So I'm gonna get this size for washing the dishes. And the reason I like it very much because it's a see-through, so it actually dries faster than any brush. So I think it's more hygienic. And also I have mine since we moved in, and it's been a few months, 2 months, I think 2 months, and it just really looks like a new one, so it doesn't wear out as fast than the other sponges. It can dry just in a short 10 minutes or so, and I just really love how it can foam up the soap because of the texture. Another kitchen item that I've been meaning to try is this silicone bag, because I want to freeze some foods and organize my freezer, and I don't want to buy plastic, and the glasses are heavy and it's just, I find some problems when they cracked. But with this one, probably I can freeze some things without any trouble and I get to see what's inside. So I'm going to wash these. Now, and I moved these bags over here on to this, I don't know what's the setup called, but I used to have this in the bathroom, and I really like this because I can hang a bunch of things on that, and it came very handy now because I can just put things on it like this bag and kitchen towel while it dries, and then I can put them away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!